गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ यू. आज बघणार आहोत पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी. मागच्या वेळेस आपण बघितलं होतं ॲडसॉर्प्शन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी आणि पार्टिशन दोन्ही पण डिफरन्स बघितला होता. आज आपण बघणार आहोत पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी. द पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी इज बेस्ड ऑन द डिफरन्स इन capacity factor and distribution coefficient of the analytes using liquid, stationary and mobile phases. द पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी म्हणजे काय? द पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी इट इज the stationary phase is a liquid and mobile phase is a liquid or gas. Do not solid the stationary phase in the using partition chromatography. The partition chromatography including the normal reverse phase chromatography, ion exchange chromatography, gel filtration chromatography and affinity chromatography. आपण बघणार आहोत वन बाय वन. The normal phase HPLC म्हणजे HPLC is a partition chromatography, the adsorption of analyte on the polar weakly acidic surface of the silica gel. The stationary phase is a silica, alumina, bonded diol and NH2. The mobile phase is a non-polar solvent, hexane and chloroform. Application non-polar and semi-polar sample, hexane soluble positional isomer. द नॉर्मल फेज टेक्निक मी सांगितलं होतं की टाईप आहे दोन, ॲडसॉर्प्शन अँड पार्टिशन, बट टेक्निक किती? फक्त 2. तर 2 टेक्निक कोणत्या? द नॉर्मल फेज अँड रिव्हर्स फेज. आपल्याला कोणत्या टेक्निक जायचं इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन दी सबस्टन्स. The normal phase technique, the stationary phase is a polar and mobile phase is a non-polar in the use in the normal phase technique. Normal phase liquid chromatography, elution order in the normal range phase. Response and time. The polar solid dilute later than non-polar lipophilic ones. The depend upon the it is a polarity. ज्याची पोलॅरिटी जास्त असेल, ज्याची पोलॅरिटी कमी असेल तो काय होईल? लवकर सेपरेट आउट होईल. इट इज अ इल्युशन ऑर्डर इन नॉर्मल फेज. Then reverse phase. The reverse phase technique, stationary phase used in the non-polar and mobile phase used in the polar. The partition of the analyte between the mobile phase and stagnant, the phase inside the polar phase, adsorption on the surface of the bonded phase. The stationary phase, it is a hydrophobic surface of moisture bonded on the silica. Mobile phase, methanol and acetonitrile and water. Application, the 80% all separation done on the RP HPLC. The reverse phase used widely in the HPLC. The 80% of the separation done on the RP in HPLC means reverse phase. The reverse phase liquid chromatography. Reverse phase elution order in reverse phase. In the reverse phase separation, organic molecules are separate based on the degree of hydrophobicity in their correlation between the degree of lipophilicity and retention in the column. It is a reverse phase separation is only depend on the hydrophobicity. Now second is the ion exchange liquid chromatography. It is a type of partition chromatography. The ion exchange chromatography inside in the pore in the stationary phase. Sample ions in enter. Second diagram counter ion out. Mobile phase editing completion. Now the adsorption displacement of the counter ion. The elution order in ion exchange chromatography is determined by the charge density of the hydrated ion in the organic acid and base. The elution order is determined by their pK and pKb. Strength of acid and base in depend upon the ion exchange chromatography. Now the strength of any liquid acid or base. The use of the widely used ion exchange chromatography. It is present in the ions, cation exchanger and ion exchanger. The ion exchange chromatography is a two type. Different type of ion exchange resin. The ion exchanger charge of analyte, cation exchanger charge of analyte. The cation exchanger is a minus ion exchanger resin. Then anion exchanger charge. It is a strongly acidic polystyrene resin, Tonix 15, weakly acidic carbomethyl cellulose. Then anion exchanger, strongly basic polystyrene resin, Tonix first, weakly basic and diethylamino ethyl cellulose in the anion exchanger. Then third is a gel permeation chromatography, molecular sieves chromatography. The separation is based on the molecule size and shape by the molecular sieves property of the variety of porous material. Then molecule is smaller than the gel bed pore, molecule larger than gel bed pore. It is the only gel permeation chromatography. It is the assembly as similar to the column chromatography. Now the gel permeation chromatography. Gel bond have the pore then the defined size range which allow the smaller molecule to enter but exclude the molecule larger than the pore diameter. It is only depend upon the pores of the diameters. Gel permeation chromatography. It is a short form is a JPC. It is a gel permeation chromatography. The also known as the size exclusive chromatography and gel filtration chromatography. The separate molecule on the basis of molecular size. The separation is based on the use of the porous matrix. Small molecule penetrate into matrix more and their path length of the elution is a longer. The larger molecule appear first, smaller molecule is a late. Mass measurement of the gel permeation chromatography. The wide volume, outer volume, gel inner volume and bed volume of total volume. V is effluent volume, the elution volume of the desired protein. जो काही इल्यूट होणारे भाग इल्यूशन separate the component in the mixture. It is a depend upon the effluent volume of the desired protein. Now the KD is a partition constant of the solute between gel matrix and solvent. KD is equal to VE minus VO upon VT upon VO. Medium. The large mass and small mass. The gel permeation chromatograph all molecule larger than the exclusive limit of the gel appearance at the V0 molecule which can gain access to the gel structure to varying the degrees are related in the order in decreases the size. Then affinity chromatography. Affinity chromatography based on the interaction between the protein of the interest on the ligand immobilized on the stationary phase substrate or product analyte, antigen by the antibody, enzyme by the inhibitor, cofactor. Specific protein is yielded by the adding the reagent which competes with the binding. Affinity chromatography म्हणजे the interaction a kind not necessary biological relevant but interaction between the protein of interest and ligand immobile on the stationary phase. Covalent attachment of the ligand to matrix. Derivation of the epoxy activated agarose. Affinity chromatography substrate along the affinity chromatography affinity ligand matrix spacer R plus enzyme active side bound enzyme immunoaffinity chromatography antibody ligands protein epitopes, and antibody bound enzyme. The multi-dimensional separation of peptide for effective proteomic analysis. It is generally accepted that the no signal chromatographic electrophoretic procedure is capable of resolving complex mixture of peptide. Therefore, combining two or more orthologous separation procedure dramatically improve the overall resolution and result in the larger number of peptide being identified from the complex protons digest. Chromatography modes of protein purification. Chromatographic modes acrom separation principle. Size chromatography, it is a difference in the molecular size. Ion exchange chromatography, electrostatic interaction. Normal phase chromatography, it is a polar interaction. Reverse phase is a dispersive interaction. Hydrophobic interaction chromatography, it is a dispersive interaction. Affinity chromatography, it is a biospecific interaction. Metal interaction chromatography, it is a complex immobile metal. आज आपण बघितलं पार्टिशन क्रोमॅटोग्राफी, द यूज इन दी टू टेक्निक नॉर्मल फेज रिव्हर्स फेज. ते बघितलं आपण नॉर्मल फेज क्रोमॅटोग्राफी, रिव्हर्स फेज क्रोमॅटोग्राफी. इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन दी अवर दी सॅम्पल. जो आपला सॅम्पल असतं त्यावर डिपेंड असतं की आपल्याला कोणत्या टाईपचं टेक्निक यूज करायचं आहे, नॉर्मल की रिव्हर्स. द one revision, it is a normal the partition chromatography, it is a stationary phase is a liquid and mobile phase is liquid and gas. The reverse phase, normal phase technique, the normal phase technique, the stationary phase is the polar and mobile phase is a non-polar. Then reverse phase technique, the stationary phase is non-polar and mobile phase is a polar.